Bright Tuesday morning. So back to daily grind after a holiday. Sana walang masyadong issues. And yon, back to work muna. Yeah, agree. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Ayan, nakapag-lunch na tayo. So quick 15 minutes walk muna tayo dito sa neighborhood. Hirap kasi yung laging nasa desk. Sumasakit yung leg ko. Kakaroon ako ng neck problems. Kaya ano yan, konting walking man lang para stretching. Tirik na yung araw. 16 degrees. Pero tirik ang araw. Siguro more or less 18 degrees to. Ganda yung weather. Yan, ito yung neighborhood dito sa amin. Ayan. Walang katao-tao. Or business hours kasi. So baka nasa work yung mga tao. Pero very unusual kung compared sa Philippines. Kahit business hours, maraming nakatambay, maraming tao naglalakad. Dito, wala kang makikita. Wala makakasalubong. So I'm not sure with other suburbs, pero more likely, ganun din siguro. Isang factor kasi dyan yung population. So, imagine sa atin, sa Philippines, for a very small country, we got 110 million. So, I'm not sure kung ano na yung population sa Philippines. Pero, yun, for a very small country, we've got around 110 million people. Compared to Australia, na napakalaki, but I think only 24 or 25 million. So that's a huge difference. And yun, dahil sa overly populated ng Pinas, minsan nagiging extension natin yung labas. And siguro dahil din sa weather. So that's one of the factor. Siyempre sa Pinas, humid yung weather. So that's why yung most people would tend to go out instead of staying indoors. Humid nga yung weather. So lumalabas, parang naging extension sa atin yung outdoor. Tambay-tambay. Dito naman, malamig. So especially kung winter. Kaya mostly, people would tend to stay indoors. So malaking may difference. Yan, so konting ikot lang tayo. Stretching. Hirap kasi laging nasa desk. Ayan. Ganda ng araw. Parang Baguio weather. 16 degrees. So pag nasa residential, ang speed limit is 50 sa residential. Ayan, so we've got 1 hour break naman working from home. So minaximize lang natin yung time. So normally pag lunch break, nanood tayong TV. Ito for a change, nag-walkman lang tayo. So yun, may time pa actually. 10:56. So I'm following Melbourne business hours kasi. Kaya yung lunch ko is 10 a.m. Which is 12 noon sa Melbourne. So same time lang dito sa Philippines, dito sa AA. Ayan. So, yan, back to work. Dito na tayo.